30-second beauty. Nudestix. I've now used them for a really, really long time, and it's actually my go-to now, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna show you how I put it on and what it looks like. This is the little pack, and I bought this because I'm too lazy to go through and try to find colors that match, so if you wanna do it for me, then sounds good to me. Let's do it. My job on this channel is to do the research for you and watch all the hours of YouTube videos and the 15-minute videos on one product. People out there are complaining that the Sun-Kissed, the bronzer I used, is a little too pink. I guess it just depends on your skin tone though. So I actually quite like the little pinky vibes. I feel like it gives more dimension to my complexion. This is Hey Honey highlighter. I always put some right in the middle so that my eyes look just a tad bigger. And in the corner, smear it with my fingers so I don't mess up the bronzer underneath. Perf. Oh. I put the wrong one on. Double checking. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Cool. Put some on my nose. Cupid's bow. Man, I use this and I have so much makeup that I can't even keep track of it all. And I still only use these as my go-to, especially if I'm rushing in the morning. I'm like, boo, boo, boo. They don't last as long without primer, so I suggest a primer. Anyways, thanks for watching. Do the bell thing and the subscribe thing and check out my other channel, Nicolette BB, if you want to laugh at me some more, which who doesn't? I do all the time.